Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your hidden post on the Facebook app when you're using a PC, especially after the latest update where things have slightly changed. If you've ever hidden a post from your profile and then couldn't find it again, don't worry. Facebook hasn't removed it. It's just a bit tucked away. Let's go step by step and locate it quickly. First, open the Facebook app or go to Facebook on your PC browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear. From here, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand more options. Next, click on Activity Log. This section is where Facebook keeps a record of everything you've done on your account, including posts, likes, and hidden content. Now, inside the activity log, look toward the left-hand side and find the section called Your Facebook Activity. Click on it to expand more categories. After that, select Posts. This will show different types of post-related activities. Here's the key step. Click on Posts Hidden from Profile. This is where Facebook stores all the posts you've chosen to hide. Once you open it, you'll see a list of those hidden posts. From here, you can review them, and if you want, you can unhide any post to make it visible on your profile again. And that's it. That's how you can easily find your hidden posts on Facebook using a PC, even with the new update. If this helped you, make sure to check out more tutorials like this so you can stay updated with the latest Facebook features.